Welcome to Real Estate Unlocked, your questions, our answers. On this channel, we talk about insider secrets every home seller needs to know. In this video, it's all about how to prepare your home to sell it. And we have a question from David, and he's asking, should I prepare my house before selling it? Well, David, this is all about first impressions. First impressions matter in dating, in meeting a potential employer, and first impressions especially matter in real estate. Anyone looking at your home for the first time will be looking for ways to disqualify it. In other words, for reasons to negotiate down on the price. Potential buyers will try and disqualify your home from the first time they see it on the internet or look at it on a flyer. So the photographs need to be close to perfect if you want the most do-re-mi. This is why beautifully preparing your home before selling it is crucial. When they drive up to your home, be sure that your lawn is manicured, clean the windows, hire a stylist, do a little dance, do everything you can to avoid reasons for a buyer to disqualify your home or its price. First impressions matter, and this is the first question you must ask before selling your home. What kind of first impression do you want to make? And then they walk through the front door. Each room should look clean and decluttered with no obvious damage in sight, just perfection where you can. These simple preparations can make a huge difference when it comes to selling your home for more do-re-mi. So that's your tip for today. Thank you for joining Real Estate Unlocked, your questions, our answers. My name is Remy, like do-re-mi. I'm an award-winning interior designer, a best-selling author, and a top-producing real estate agent who's worked across 4 states. If you have a question for the team about your loan, about the escrow process, what repairs to do before selling your home and what not to do, staging, tips for selling your home quickly, or just how to put more do-re-mi in your pocket when you sell your home, well, my team is standing by. Simply leave your question in the comments section or contact us through the email address below. We'll get you an answer typically within 24 hours or better.